Hey gang, how you doing down there? Oh, you're looking great. You didn't get splashed or anything. I honestly thought we were gonna get splashed daft because we're in the splash zone. But yeah, you did really well. The tripod got splashed, but right now don't show stream the pants. There we are. I did some laundry this morning and a lot of it's pants. Nice bar towel. Thank you, Chum. Yeah. My parents' bowls club gets loads of bar towels, and yeah, so some of them come free and clear into my ownership. Good afternoon, you two. What can I interest you in today? Interest Camille in some grass as a little sharpener. How about soft mans? Oh, okay. Cam says no. Only cams. Sign up for my only cams. T, get in there, mate. Seriously. There you go. Yeah, definitely. They're actually really useful. If I could buy a bunch of blank bar towel sized towels, I would. They're dead handy. Hey Cham, hey Lels, how you doing, mate? I'm just paying some tax. Trying to pay tax, but my tax inspector's a moron, mate. Innit? My tax inspector's a divvy. T, seriously, just like... Oh, see now, look. T. Cams, Jesus. Right, there's one for... Oh, come on. Cams, you're being a gremlin. Shut up and give me the grass and no one gets hurt. Gonna wreck you. Ah, see? Distraction. Here you go, Cams. And look, all this time, your sister's been here. And you've been... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. It's lucky we've got loads of grass. Right. Shmoo. Come on, Shmoo. Shmoo, get some. Shmoo, no. That's Cams, not Shmoo. Right, give T a big one. Keep him occupied. There you go. There's Shmoo. There's Shmoo. Somebody say warm. Yep. Like, it's not as baking today, but it's still pretty damn baking. Cheryl and I are both feeling a little bit ragged today because of the thunderstorms, but yeah, it's always fun when it gets to 30, isn't it? Lels, if it makes you feel any better. When was it? I think it was like Tuesday or Wednesday this week. The dome hit 66 degrees. Just like... I might have made a terrible... my invention is trying to kill me. It's one of my inventions are trying to kill me. Right, okay. We're over here today because reasons. Right. Hang on real tight. Here comes a changeover.